Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve VS Code performance in 2026. If Visual Studio Code feels slow, takes longer to open, or becomes unresponsive during larger projects, a few adjustments may help. So let's get started. First, check which extensions you have installed. Extensions can add useful features, but too many active extensions may increase startup time or use additional system resources. Open the extensions view and review the tools you actually use. Disable extensions you don't need regularly, especially ones that run in the background. Next, check your workspace. Large folders containing thousands of files or generated files can make searching and indexing slower. If your project contains folders that don't need to be searched or monitored, consider excluding them through the appropriate workspace settings. You should also keep VS Code updated. New releases can include performance improvements and fixes for issues that may affect responsiveness. Another useful step is to monitor what is consuming resources. VS Code includes tools that can help identify extensions or processes that are taking more time than expected. If a specific extension is responsible for slowdowns, update it, disable it, or look for an alternative. You can also test VS Code with extensions disabled to compare performance. Try not to keep unnecessary editor tabs, terminals, and large files open when you don't need them. Closing unused items can make your workspace easier to manage. Make sure your computer also has enough available memory and storage. Sometimes, the problem isn't VS Code itself, but the system running it. If performance suddenly becomes poor after a configuration change, consider resetting the relevant setting or testing with a clean profile. And that's how to improve VS Code performance. Review extensions, optimize large workspaces, update the editor, and identify resource-heavy processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next